up, YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, welcome. We are all family over here. So what's up, sis? What's up, bro? What's up, cuz? Make sure y'all let me know down below how y'all are doing. So you guys, as y'all know, me and my sister has locks. She just started hers a few months back, and she wanted a quick retwist before she went out. So I decided to go ahead and get her in. Now, I had stopped doing dreads altogether once my husband cut his off, but I may start back. Like, I love her hair, y'all. Like, look at her hair texture. It's that silky smooth soft hair. Like, it's really like a 4, I'll say like a 4A 4B type natural hair. It's really soft and so cute for locks. Like, I feel like all locks are cute, let me say that first of all, but I really love her locks. But yeah, so I decided to go ahead and give her a quick retwist. It literally didn't take no time. She is still in the beginning stage, so I would still consider her locks starter locks. They haven't completely locked yet, but as you can see in a few of them, they are forming. I keep telling her, girl, fall in love with every stage of your hair. It's so beautiful to me. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how to do a retwist. I will list all the products that I use down below, as you guys know. They'll also be on my Amazon storefront, so if you haven't checked out my Amazon storefront, I have a lot of my favorite products that I like to use, from the hose that I use when I shampoo to the braiding hair that I use. Any product that you see me using, you'll be able to find on my Amazon storefront. Also, go ahead and check out my website. That's Artryssaglamtresses.com. You guys, I make wigs, I have products, combs, all that over there as well. So head on over there and support your girl. And if you want an even more detailed video on how to do whatever style, head over to my Patreon. That will also be linked down below, and become a VIP member. Hey, like, we already family, you might as well come on over there and rock with your girl as well. I'm not gonna do any more talking, y'all. I know y'all like, dang, she long-winded today. But yeah, I definitely had to come on and say hey to you guys. I'm gonna let you guys watch. It's really simple. Like I said before, I just use water with a little aloe vera gel in it, and then the twisting gel that I use I will leave down below, because I honestly can't remember the name of it, but it's my absolute fave, so that will be listed down below as well. And yeah, I just retwist her hair. So if you guys like it, let me know down below that y'all like this content, and I might bring more videos back. I might do a retwist video on my hair, because it'll be a year next month, y'all. Like, what? My mind is blown, and I am absolutely in love with my babies. So I might bring y'all a video of me retwisting my hair on my wash day. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I love y'all so much. Thank you for rocking with me and for watching all my videos, for commenting, for showing and supporting me. I thank you so much. If you haven't already, head over to my Instagram and follow me over there as well. It's Artryssa Glam Tresses across the board on all social media. Okay, y'all, I'm out. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.